welcome to our virtual RHA event. I'm Claudia, I'm the nurse practitioner here at LaLa, and this is Dr. Jacobs. We're really excited for all of the activities that you're going to learn about today.
Make sure you stay until the end for our live question and answer. Submit your questions via the questions tab and we will answer them live.
We'll also be giving away several syringes of RHA as well as discount through the end of the month. Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Jacobs, and I've been an aesthetic provider for over 15 years. I love enhancing faces with filler. I take pride in offering my patients the most cutting-edge technology and services available in the United States. At LaLa, we only offer FDA-approved treatments and ones that we feel match our natural approach to healthy aging and wellness. RHA is the latest filler technology introduced in the U.S., and it offers me the ability to have an additional option to maximize results that leave you looking refreshed. There really is an art to aesthetic medicine. So think of me as an artist, and this product is an additional paintbrush or color in my palette to use to enhance your beauty.
RHA is specifically designed for areas with dynamic wrinkles. Dynamic wrinkles are the lines that appear with movement and various facial expressions. As we age, these dynamic lines can appear on almost any area of the face. As a nurse practitioner and injector, I've had an amazing opportunity to receive more training in the past year than most injectors receive in 5. I'm so blessed to have been able to do this extensive training with Dr. Jacobs as well as other trainers in the field. One of the most rewarding areas for me to treat are the cheeks and mouth areas. As we age, we begin seeing a fuller lower face to give that square appearance versus that harder oval that we're used to seeing when we were younger. Filler can be used in the cheeks to highlight the midface and lift that square appearance. It also can soften nasolabial folds and give you a refreshed appearance under the eyes. It's so extremely satisfying to show a patient that instant enhancement during the appointment. Lines around the mouth and thin lips are another area of concern that we see often. Filler can help give your lips and areas around the mouth the hydration it needs to appear more youthful and give you a little plump. What I love about RHA is that it's specifically designed to be more like the natural hyaluronic acid that we produce in our skin. It has fewer additives than other fillers and adapts to movement in the face necessary for everyday expressions like smiling, pursing the lips, and chewing. We want our patients to look more youthful but still look like you, and these products do just that. The science behind this filler is absolutely amazing. It takes every client's concern of looking natural to an entirely new level. It stretches and compresses within the skin without the concern of looking too full, stiff, or fake, even in the most delicate and challenging areas of the face. Here at LaLa, we see clients of all ages, typically from 20s to upper 70s. The reasons for filler treatment can definitely vary. Our overall goal with filler is to naturally enhance your best features in addition to treating some of the aging aspects of the face to keep you feeling refreshed and youthful. RHA, like other fillers we carry at LaLa, are very safe when used in healthy individuals with the right expectations. Before we do any treatment, filler or other, we take great care to ensure we understand your medical history and treatment goals before moving forward. There may be some situations where we schedule treatment around a medication you're currently taking or a special event that may be approaching. And if we feel like there's a better opportunity to meet your treatment goals, we can discuss those with you during your appointment. Sometimes this does lead to a discussion and referral to one of our trusted surgery centers.
The great thing about using a filler such as RHA is that the results are immediate. You don't have to wait for the product to kick in or for your body to build collagen or elastin such as you do with a laser treatment. However, there is a period of about a week to 2 for most patients, where we say you're not allowed to love it or you're not allowed to hate it. Filler is placed using a tiny needle, but it's completely normal to have some degree of mild bruising, swelling, and maybe some tenderness. We'll help during your consultation to schedule accordingly with any upcoming events that you have. RHA is known as resilient hyaluronic acid. Because it accompanies the face in everyday animation, it's a very long-lasting product. While patients would love a filler that never needs to be maintained, good providers want a filler that lasts long but not too long. Aging is dynamic, and your filler needs to be well suited to this. RHA is approved to last up to 15 months, but to maintain correction, we recommend repeating your treatment every 9 to 12 months.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Jacobs, and I have China with me today, and we are going to talk about what kinds of things we can do to enhance this beautiful face. So the first thing I usually do when I'm talking to patients is I ask them what's bothering them. And so they look in the mirror and, China, what's bothering you today?
So, as far as lips go, I do feel like my top lip is a little smaller than the bottom. So, a little more symmetrical would be nice. Maybe just a little fuller.
Okay.
Too.
How about anything else, like with cheeks or chin or anything? I'm not saying that's what you need, but is there anything else that bothers you?
These lines, I start to notice they're a little deeper than they were. So, I would say that would be the main thing there too.
So that is extremely common when patients come in and we're talking about filler, is that usually the first thing they point to is their nasolabial folds, and then a lot of times they'll say their lips, and then sometimes they'll say, just everything. So when I look at China, I mean, she, again, is absolutely beautiful. She's nice and young. She really doesn't need anything, but what we could talk about are some things that we could do for her to enhance that beauty. So anytime we start talking about filler, we always talk about the cheeks first. And what happens as we age, let me just get a little pointer here, as we age, everything seems to shift down. So we start losing bone mass, muscle mass, fat pads, and the skin laxity, it just becomes more loose, and so everything goes down. I say gravity takes over. So what that's doing is coming down and creating the nasolabial folds, and a lot of times creating marionette lines. China has the most beautiful chin. This is one of the things that tends to go away as we age. So obviously there's no enhancement needing here. So about a year ago, we actually did some RHA 4 in her cheeks, and I think it's lasting beautifully. So today we're not going to talk about, or we're not going to do anything about her nasolabial folds, but if we were, we would start injecting back here. And the interesting thing with cheeks is that it actually improves under the eye, it improves around the folds, it improves down here, and it will even give you a little bit of lip because it's pulling everything back up. So the purpose of filler is to start fighting gravity, start pulling everything back up. Once we put it back into place, it gives us a little bit more youthful look, and everybody is happy.
Thanks for joining us this evening. I hope you learned a lot. And now it's time for our Q&A.
But before we get to the Q&A, we gotta talk about the exciting stuff. Our giveaway winners will be notified via phone, so make sure you check your phone messages and texts. And then when we text you, make sure you respond with yes to see which RHA products are right for you.